welcome to video number 7. In the library catalog, you can use your Patron account to request library items. If Acorn Public Library doesn't have a particular item that you want or need, you can simply request it from a library that does have it, and then they'll mail it over to Acorn for you. So let's get started. In this example here, I'm going to search for, let's say, home decor. So let's left click in the search bar, type in home decor, all right, and then let's left click on the magnifying glass to start the search. All right, let's see what we have here. Say for instance you like this particular book, but as you can see by looking at the bottom of the record, no copies at Acorn Public Library District, few copies at other libraries. All right, so let's click on the title, left click. Let's see what we have. Yes, one copy of this, but it's at Schiller Park. All right, so say if you'd like to request this item, go up to the top and left click on place hold. Now right off the bat, this box will pop up asking you to log in. You must type in your library card number and then your PIN number or your password. So let's do that. Alright, I'm going to left click on login to log in. If you have difficulty logging into your account, you can left click on forgot my PIN to see if you can reset your PIN password. It'll walk you through a few steps to get you started. If that still doesn't work, then you might need to contact the library and then the staff can help you with this. Let's left click on here, log in. Alright, excellent. So this box will pop up here and you'll see title, home decor for beginners, and then pick up library. Now, this part's a little funny because this list of libraries is in alphabetical order, and it just so happens that Acorn is the first on the list because that's how the list is alphabetically. So if you want to send your item to another library and have it picked up somewhere else, you can just left click on here and you can select another library. But it just so happens if you just want to pick it up at Acorn, just leave this. Don't do a thing. Don't do a single thing other than left click on place holds. All right. And then this box will pop up and it will tell you the title and success. The hold has been placed. The request has been placed. And then left click on OK to make this box go away. You can also complete a variety of tasks by going into your Patron account. So to find that, scroll up to the top of the screen and you'll need to log in if you're not logged in already. Fortunately, I am still logged in from our previous step, so I can then left click on My Account. Alright, when you scroll down just a bit, you'll see a few different tabs where you can take care of different tasks. For starters, you'll see your personal information. It's blurred out, of course, so you don't see mine, but you'll see information like when your library card is due for renewal, when's the last time you've used it, your library card number, also your contact information, your phone number, your email address, that will be all here. If, for instance, you need to change or update your PIN password, you can left click on this brownish section here. When you do that, this little menu will open up here and you'll have to type in these boxes here, your current PIN password, and then the new one that you want twice. And as it says over here, you must use numbers only. You cannot use symbols or letters when you're making a PIN password. When you have your old one entered and then your new one twice, you must left click on update to update it. If you go up to the menu and left click on checkouts, you can see the items that you've already got checked out. Here you will see information about the item you have checked out. Items that qualify for automatic renewal will be renewed automatically, but it is possible to renew an item manually. If you'd like to renew the item, all you have to do is go to the empty box next to the item and left click on it. When you do that, a check mark will appear. And then all you have to do then is left click on renew. If your item can be successfully renewed, the date will change and be updated to reflect the new date, and a message will also appear saying your item has been renewed. In my case though, when I left click yes, of course, yes, I want to renew it, you'll get a different type of message that this item cannot be renewed at this time. The date has not changed, it's still due on October 18th, and now you know that you do have to return this item. If you go up to the menu and left click on holds, you will see the items that you have requested. If we scroll down here, here's the home decor book that we requested in the beginning. As you can see, under status, the item is still pending. It will be mailed to Acorn Public Library where it will be picked up. If you, for instance, decide that you no longer want or need this item, you can left click on the box next to it, a little check mark will appear in it, and then you can go up to cancel holds. Left click on that, and then left click on yes. And then this will be updated and the hold or request will be canceled. One last note, when you're all through with your account, be sure to log out. To do this, simply go up to the top of the screen and left click where it says log out. And that's all there is to it.